The 2023 gardening season has begun. I pray the Lord Jesus blesses us with lots of good veggies to eat this year. Last year was pretty rough with the drought, and the strip pits are still really low, so hopefully we start getting lots of moisture this late winter and spring. The chickens have been powering through the winter, still producing 3 eggs a day. They have been very low maintenance and they don't eat much at all. There are 2 Isa Browns and 2 Golden Comets. I buried my Haas Tools irrigation main line this winter, and the cover crops are doing very well. I covered the fall plantings of garlic, shallots, and onions with straw. A lot of the onions and shallots have been sprouting and growing quickly lately. I hope the upcoming cold temperatures don't hurt them. I set up a bunch of pallets along the back of my property for composting, and I plan to build a shed back there as well after I complete the picket fence. I started onions, spinach, kale, collards, foxglove, and some Asian greens down in the basement. Hope you all had a good Christmas.